Hey, welcome to Design Guy. Want to add eye-catching gradient text to your Canva designs? I'll show you how. Click the Create button to start a new project. Next, select the Custom Size option from the menu. In the size fields, enter 300 by 300 pixels. This ensures your project uses a square canvas, which is ideal for this tutorial. Proceed to set up your workspace accordingly. To zoom in on your design, hold the Control key on your keyboard and scroll with your mouse. Alternatively, you can use the zoom scroll bar located here to adjust the view and focus on specific areas of your design more closely. Click the text button to add a new text box. A text field will appear where you can type any content you want. For this example, click inside the text field and type the word sky to add it to your project. To add a gradient color to your text, first select the text you want to edit. Next, click on the text color option in the toolbar. Scroll down through the color options until you find the gradient section. Choose the gradient color you prefer by clicking on it. Once selected, the gradient effect will be instantly applied to your chosen text, giving it a stylish, colorful appearance. Adjust further as needed to achieve your desired look. To add more text variations, go to this section and scroll up until you find the gradient color option. Click on it once to open the menu, then click again to view your choices. Here, you'll be able to select from different gradient styles or line styles for your text. Experiment with these options to customize the appearance and make your text stand out with unique style variations. Select the gradient type you want to use. In this example, choose the circular gradient option. You'll see your current gradient colors displayed. To add another color variation, click the Add New Gradient Color button. This will create a new color stop on your gradient. Select the new color stop, then open the color picker to choose your desired color. For example, let's add a red gradient color. Click on the newly created color stop and set it to red. Now your gradient will start with yellow, transition to orange, and end with red at the edge. This allows you to create more complex and eye-catching gradients by simply adding more color stops and adjusting their positions as needed. The edge of this design will appear red because the gradient color matches the outer region. You'll notice it forms a central circle, another circle, and a final red circle along the outer edge. To see how the effect changes, you can select a different linear gradient. This will alter the direction of the color transitions. For example, changing the direction moves yellow to one side, followed by orange, and then red along the new edge. Experiment with different linear gradients and directions to achieve various color flows and effects, adjusting the positions to see how each setting impacts your overall design's look. Choose any item you like from the selection. After making your choice, you can resize it by increasing the size to fit your needs. To get a better look at your work, use the scroll bar to zoom out. This will give you a wider, clearer view of your project, making it easier to see all the details and adjust as necessary. Click the Effect button, then add outline to your image. Next, click Share and choose Download. Set the file size to maximum for the best quality. Optionally, select Transparent Background for images without a background. Finally, hit Download to save your finished image with all selected settings. You just learned how to create eye-catching gradient text in Canva. Hit like and subscribe for more creative Canva tips.